everyone, I am Sagri Goyal from Chaudhry Shavildas Public School, Class 12J. It's no secret that we are going to face a huge digital skills gap in future years. As the world moves on in terms of its technology, the traditional literacy and numeracy skills that we learn in school are going to be replaced by essential tech skills of the future. We are looking at the jobs of the future and the types of skills required for it. So here I present the fastest growing jobs of the future. First is scientific organic farming. India has been self-sufficient in food staples for over a decade. Organic agriculture will prosper in India and will contribute in feeding 1.5 billion people by 2030. According to statistics, the organic farming market in India reached around 1.36 billion by 2020 with a growth rate of 25 to 30% and will prosper much more in the coming years. The next is robotics engineering. Robotics engineering is considered a high-end profession in India. The robot industry is expected to grow 75% over the next 9 years, which will result in more competition and innovation, which will drive these modern technologies forward. According to International Federation of Robotics, IFR, the global average for industrial robots per 10,000 manufacturing workers grew from 66 in 2015 to 85 in 2017. While there may be a negative effect on some labor segments, robots and automation increase productivity, lower production costs, and can create new job opportunities in each sector. Next, we look at drone technology. India could be one of the countries at the forefront of drone revolution. As per the Drone Industry Insights Report 2020, the global drone market size is expected to grow $42.813 by 2025 at 13.8% CAGR. The findings also projected that India is expected to be the third largest drone market in the world by 2025. Studies have also proved that India will need at least 1 million drone pilots by 2025, creating enormous employment opportunities. Now we look at mental health counseling. Counseling has been important since the dawn of the society. In today's time, a person is carrying much more burden on his or her mind than on his body, and this is the reason behind depleting mental health. Studies have shown that psychology is a future demand job. Surveys have also proved that employment of clinical counseling and school psychologists is projected to grow 14% from 2016 to 2026, which is faster than the average for all occupations. Employment of industrial organizational psychologists is projected to grow 6%. Thank you.